You catch a nigga off guard, you better run through him.
Alright, what in the HVAC is going on? I've got my dog. I'm gonna make this quick, short, and simple because I'm going to get some dinner. And it's Friday. I'm gonna enjoy my Friday night. We did a full system by 12 o'clock. There's 3 of us on the job. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. New line set, new condenser, new coil, new furnace. We took 2 furnaces out of this basement, and it's not a great entrance. Wait till you see this entrance. Check this video out. Well, I was kind of lazy last night. And, let's put 80 miles. That's good. Anyways, we are off to work. It's about 6:15. I would have left a little bit earlier, but I forgot that I needed a little bit of gas. But we're on the way now. So it's still dark out. I'm pretty tired. Anyways, I keep saying anyways this morning. All right, let's get to it. Buckle seatbelt, fine.
I can't even see. She got a mind of his own. It's beside me. He got a nigga seeing double like.
Look at the pad. Foil tape on the exhaust is crazy. Oh my god. Out the window. Fuck. No, wait, look at the coil. Some of the worst I've seen.
$33 plus $24.
This is the wire connections. This is how I found it. Starting with the light shit first. Their blank off they had on this furnace. Way too big. This one will be interesting. warm. And it's all gone. Except this. They can do something with that, replant some grass, whatever they want. She's a beaut. I'll be honest, I didn't do much of this today. We had 3 people on the job, so I tore it out. I did the return right here. You can barely see it, I know. This was their takeoff. And you know, I got S-locks on it, but it didn't look great. It's better than Kevin would do. Hey Kevin, if you're watching this, you couldn't do anything like this, buddy. Alright, look at this wall, by the way. And I say if you're watching, like I know he's watching. It's my biggest fan, me and Kevin, he's my best buddy. Kevin probably poured this concrete right here. Anyways. I mean, this is quite the entrance angle. Look at this. We actually slid the furnace down and out right here. Still wasn't fun. Not sliding. You know what? You should have seen this before. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the like button. And if you didn't feel, if you're kind of intermediate about it, I don't know, just hit the like button. Alright, your friendly neighborhood HVAC vlogger and his dog. Until the next one, peace out.